So you have written your code. It works perfectly on your laptop. But how does it actually go from sitting on your machine to being a real website anyone in the world can visit? That's what we are covering now. Here's the whole journey in one picture. Your code sits on your laptop. You push it using Git, which you already know from our last section. A build platform picks it up, and out comes a live web address anyone can visit. Platforms like Vercel and Netlify are built for simplicity. You connect your GitHub repository, and every time you push new code, it automatically builds and deploys your site, often in under a minute. Cloudflare works a little differently. It's a global network of servers that delivers your website quickly, no matter where in the world someone is visiting from, while also helping protect it from attacks and sudden traffic spikes. For bigger, more complex projects, developers often turn to cloud infrastructure providers like DigitalOcean and AWS. These offer far more control. You can configure servers, storage, and networking exactly how you need, but that flexibility comes with more responsibility to set it up correctly. So which one is right for you? For small projects and portfolios, Vercel and Netlify are hard to beat. Need global speed and security layered on top? That's where Cloudflare shines. And for large, fully custom applications, DigitalOcean or AWS give you the deepest control. No matter which platform you choose, the journey stays the same. Your code, a Git push, a build platform, and a live website. The only thing that changes in which platform best matches the size and needs of your project. Your site is now technically live, but right now it probably has a long generic web address. Next, we will give it a real name of its own and the secure padlock that visitors expect to see.